This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy the easy way. First, gather your essential ingredients: pan drippings, a thickener like flour or cornstarch, and a liquid such as broth or milk. Make sure your drippings are warm. This helps prevent lumps. A good whisk is your best friend for achieving that perfectly smooth texture. We'll get started right away. Now, let's create the base. If using flour, combine equal parts fat from your drippings and flour to form a roux. Cook this over medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's lightly golden. For a gluten-free option, mix cornstarch with a little cold water to create a slurry. Both methods are simple and effective for thickening. Next, it's time to add your liquid. Gradually whisk in your chosen liquid, perhaps 2 cups of broth, into your roux or slurry. Keep whisking constantly as you pour to ensure no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the gravy to thicken beautifully to your desired consistency. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in a splash of cream or a small pat of butter right before serving. Now, your delicious homemade gravy is ready to be enjoyed over all your favorite dishes. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.